All right, so we are now recording. So we are group number 48, and our idea for our final project for this class was based around the COVID-19 outbreak and specifically focusing on people in New York State. So our general idea was to be able to input a location and give a general radius in order to look at food stores, and we were able to get that from a New York State database and be able to go through their data set using their online API and be able to look at things in their area and in the radius that they can input in order to see things that are open and being able to work out, well, what's available to them. We just thought we'd want to work on something that was open and what connected to the issues that caused us all to go online for the rest of the semester. And so far, we've been working on researching the data and getting some basic code together and working to see, well, how can we both make this available and make it visual in order for if someone were able to use this and look at it and be able to actually get a general idea of what they're going to use and what they can be able to see within the places that they can go and that they're willing to go and that they're able to go to.
All right. And so basically a list of like the system's APIs, packages, web services, and stuff that we're going to use at this point to complete our project. So we're going to use pandas for data visualization and organization. We're going to use this to help organize our data sets. We're going to use Soda PY, which manages the API for the New York system public data sets. We're going to use this to access and call information from the data sets. We're going to use OpenStreetMaps, which lets us access specific mapping information that will help us visualize data, as well as provide users a way to find stores near them. And we'll be using Folium, which is a data visualization tool that has great maps for showing data. And that's it.
All right, and we've got some code together. We have a GitHub page that has some basic examples of what we've been working on. So for the New York State retail food stores data, this uses Pandas and SodaPy to pull together just a data table of all the licensed food stores in an area. So this API call uses this token right here and my sign-in information in the specific county of Onondaga to get all the results. So you can see, Stewart's in Onondaga. It gives you address, street name, all the good stuff, everything we need to put that together. Also gives latitude and longitudinal coordinates, which could be useful integrating with OpenStreetMaps. Here we have a basic Folium map. Can't see in the notebook, for some reason it won't run it, but if you would take the notebook and run it, you'll see it's just a map that focuses in on Onondaga County. That's all there. And then for the OpenStreetMap API, here's just a basic API query, to the Overpass API, which is part of OpenStreetMaps and allows you to read data and search through OpenStreetMaps. And this would be important for us to figure out a user's position based on the location they get us. Yeah, and that's all we have.
All right,